So hi everyone, myself Rekha, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. So today we are going to explain the topic critical path method in the course resource management technique and program evaluation review technique. So I am going to explain some of the questions in resource management technique. So before going to that critical path method, so we are going to explain what is event, procedure, event, successor, activity, etc. So event is nothing but a specific point in time that marks the beginning or completion of more activities. Procedure means if an event that must occur before another event can take place. So the example is foundation completed is a procedure event to start construction of walls. Next we are going to say about the successor event. So the successor event is an event that occurs after the another event. It follows an predecessor event in the network. It depends on the completion of the previous event. So what is mean by activity? Activity is a task or a operation that consumes time and a possible resource. It connects two event. It is usually represented by an arrow mark. So activity have a definite duration. So let us explain one activity. So the project has the following characters. Activities is given 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 4 to 9, 5 to 6, 5 to 7, 6 to 8, 7 to 8, 8 to 10, 9 to 10. And the duration values are given. We have to draw the network using the arrow diagram. So we have to start from 1 and we have to end with 10. And next is nothing but critical path method, that is an evaluation technique. We have to apply the forward pass. So calculation is nothing but first of all we have to start from initial value 0 and next duration is 4 means we have to add 0 plus 4, that is 4, 0 plus 1 1, and here we have to suppose there is a two ways means we have to take the maximum value. 5 comma 2 means we have to take the maximum value. Next in the fifth event already we the earliest start from the 1 2 3 to 5 is 1 plus 6, so we'll get 7, 7 plus 4 11, 7 plus 8 15, then 8 is nothing but 17, 9 is nothing but 10, 10 is nothing but 22. And next is nothing but an project duration, that is 22 days. The event is represented as reverse order. We have to in the forward pass we have to add, but in the backward pass we have to subtract the value and we have to take the minimum value. For example, if the maximum value is 22 means we have to subtract minus 5, revert order. And if it is next value 7 means 22 minus 7 you will get 15, 17 minus 1 you will get 16, 17 minus 2 will get 15. If it is a two ways occurs means we have to take the minimum value, that is 16 minus 4 or 15 minus 8 means we have to take the minimum value, that is 7. So next is nothing but 10 minus 1 9, like that we have to calculate the minimum backward pass duration. After finding the backward pass duration we have to find the critical path. So critical path is nothing but a longest duration. Here the longest duration value is 1 plus 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 5. So that is nothing but 22 weeks. So if it is critical value is nothing but 1 to 3, 5 to 7, 8 to 10. So I will get that 22. Project duration is 22 weeks. So project duration is 22 weeks. Next we have to construct the another value, that is network for the project whose activities are given below, and compute the total free and independent float of each activity, and hence determine the critical path and project duration, and the values are given as 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, 3 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 7, 5 to 7, 6 to 7, and the duration days are given 3, 8, 12, 6, 3, 3, 8, 5, 3, 8. So we have to draw the network also. So here in the same way we are going to calculate the next value, that is starting value, forward pass and as well as backward pass. In the forward pass we have to add the value and we have to add the maximum value, but whereas the backward pass we have to subtract the value and we have to minus the values. If there is a two ways means we have to take the maximum value. Here the maximum value is 31 days. So look at the minimum backward pass. So here we have subtracted that 31 minus 5, 31 minus 3. And if there is a two ways mean we have to subtract the two values. So based on that application we have to find the total float. Total float formula is L minus E, free float formula is E minus E, IF value is E minus L. So like that we have to calculate the total float and free float, and float calculation is applied based on that value. So thank you for watching this float calculation and critical path method.